If you have not already seen these in the store at Whole Foods, you need to go look at them and buy them. I told you. These are smacking, bruh. They're by a Crafty Counter.
Ow, fuck, this is some good ass bacon. What is this?
That. The bacon makers are Hooray Food. Shout out to y'all.
Ah, hot. Food.
How much this cost?
$8.29.
This is $8.29 in Whole Foods for essentially 3 eggs, y'all. But it's worth it. It's worth every $8 out of my pocket. 3 eggs and some black salt for $8. I'm gonna lie, y'all. I'm trying to see what's up with this VINA probiotic soda. It's supposed to be pomegranate flavored.
Oh.
Organic. You don't like pomegranate? Stevia free.
Okay, it might be good. I hate stevia.
Y'all see it? VINA! It's soda with smarts. You wanna try it first? Tastes like kombucha.
Okay.
Oh!
It got some bite to it.
Guys, I think I am gonna have an egg. Just one though. Just one for y'all. Just one. Why did I smell that? Why
You
did I
know what it smells like. It smells like ass.
I got the urge to smell it, and then it just like dawned on me that it fucking stinks, bro. What the fuck? Okay.
I ain't gonna lie. I low-key kind of like that. But like, oh my gosh, you're ruining it.
I was hoping nobody would notice. None of my bacon stayed on top. Alright, y'all. Well, here's your egg. A half-boiled egg. See the middle coming out? I'm breaking it. Okay. The black salt's on top.
Right. It even makes the noise of biting an egg. Let me have one. I just can't get over the fact that there's like a liquid, you know what I mean? It grosses me out. You would like eggs so much. Oh no.
Oh. Wow, down that.
Yeah, they got the texture like.
Bro, it's just smack.
Ooh,
wow.
Shervasi. Shiverasi.
Where y'all been at? What the fuck?
You know how crazy it is when you know like you about to burp? It's just crazy because it comes so fast. Like you could just be minding your business and then you just all of a sudden like, oh my god, it's gonna happen, and it just happens.
Air just like blows out.
It just comes hella rapid. Somebody in the comments below, let me know how fast a burp occurs. Like, what's the science behind that?
Is it 10 miles per hour? Bad. That one was more like 4.
4 miles. That came out rapid.